Good morning! It is just 3:30 a.m. and we are getting ready. We're gonna go on a road trip. Can we pray first? Yeah!
Today we're heading to Calgary. Since we're going the long way, that's around 13 hours away from Fort St. John, kung saan kami nakatira ngayon. We live in BC. Calgary is in Alberta. So, medyo malayo talaga siya from our place. And since long weekend naman and we have 5 days off, we decided na mag-side quest and, take the long way. Nagkataon nga lang na sobrang smoky when we had our road trip. So, hindi talaga namin makita yung magagandang sceneries going to Calgary. We made this quick stop dito sa Jasper kasi medyo gutom na kami. And so, we had Italian for lunch.
Is it good?
There's a bear with you.
Oh?
This is like
Snowy! Look at mommy! Yeah, they chase people.
they would like peck people.
Hey!
Come here, baby. Mom, you and mommy.
Is it cold?
Yeah.
Not really.
We just went for a couple of stops, especially dun sa mga viewpoints where we don't need to go on a hike, para medyo maaga naman kami yung makarating sa Calgary. Kasi anyways, hindi din naman namin ma-enjoy kasi smoky nga siya. But believe me, sobrang ganda ng road trip na to. Sana kung walang smoke.
Did you touch it? Do you want to touch it again?
Yeah, I'll go over there because there's a bug there.
Not
Wait,
there.
is it? Is there the bug? The bug's in the...
Snowy! Uy, nahugaw ng lubot. Hey, Snowy! Snowy, what did you buy from Miniso? Can I see? She's opening. So, we were supposed to buy DJI Action 6 na camera sa Chinook Center, Best Buy, pero wala sila. So, anong nabili namin? toy ni Snowy sa Miniso. So, yun lang yung nabili namin. Tomorrow, we will be going to Drumheller. Maganda sana kung may action camera kami for better footage of our memories. After this, papagas lang si Edsel. After this, we're gonna go to...
Drumheller.
No! We're gonna go for dinner sa izakaya. She wants to show her fuzzy toy. This is her fuzzy toy. It's so cute. What's this, baby? Chikawa? This is what she got from Miniso. And ang mahal na naman yung gas. How much yung gas?
168 there.
168. So yung nagastos namin for full tank is 76.81. That's the place. Dito na kami sa Airbnb. Looks like this. Okay, this is the first bedroom.
And then, what is this? Is this the washroom?
Yeah, that's the one.
We have washer dryer. Oh, okay. Plancha, vacuum. Okay. This is the second room, I believe. Second room. Okay. This is the kitchen. Ayan, may mga tubig kami. So, patulog na kami. Si Edsel sa kabilang room. Tulog na siya kasi 3 a.m. pa kami nagising kanina morning. And wala siyang tulog kasi nagdadrive siya. So yeah, we're now getting ready to sleep. And Snowy and I will be in the same room and hindi kami kasyang tatlo. So this Airbnb is nasa Northwest, which is malapit sa Banff. Pero malapit din siya sa pagpalabas ka papuntang Drumheller. And that's where we're going tomorrow. So, we're gonna see you guys tomorrow.
And we're going to upload our new video soon.